if you get one of these systems, yes, you can black start it. I shared some incorrect information in those previous 2 videos. There was no defensiveness or, hey, remove that video. It was, thanks for bringing attention to a problem. We're fixing it. If you have more problems, please call me and we'll fix those too. Alrighty, so I wanted to do an update video on the situation with the PointGuard Energy / Sigenergy failure, quote unquote, that I had. I've got my little supervisor here, but I had an enormous amount of outreach from all levels of PointGuard today, and it was really great. It was super constructive. I was pretty heated yesterday, and what one of my videos didn't mention was that my installer had given me a few things to try and walked me through sort of trying to restart this thing, but none of those things worked. Then Rich on the Facebook group, who works for PointGuard, and has been super helpful to me in the past, he gave me a few different things, or one specific thing, I should say, to try, which is the red button that I pointed out in the video, which is right there. Right, it's hard to put it on video and show you at the same time. It's this button right here. If you push and hold that for 20 seconds, it would have black started itself. My system is set to hold 5% of its power in the batteries, so that when the panels are capable of supporting power again, you can manually black start them, even if they are AC coupled. So I was wrong in what I said yesterday, that AC systems cannot be black started. Sorry, I'm trying to move over here because the sun is so bright. So AC coupled systems can be black started. Not only that, but because this is a 5-in-1 system, the only one on the market, it has a patch. My system, unfortunately, for some reason, doesn't have it. When these systems are initialized, they should grab a patch that allows them to automatically sort of maintain a sleep state, check the panels automatically every certain amount of time, and then when they are producing power, then it will wake the batteries up, power up your AC coupled system automatically, and restart everything so that your system works and black starts itself. So that's really cool. It's still disappointing that I didn't get a hold of anybody on a Saturday. However, I had so much help today from every level, including a call from Rob, the CEO, and I really do appreciate that. Also, Steve, the sales rep in this area, and I really do appreciate how much it wasn't them calling because they were frustrated about my video. They said, keep them up and keep letting us know when you have issues, because this is how we're going to get better. And I can't speak to how much I appreciate that. As you know, Rob did also say they're working towards having 24/7 tech support. It's rolling out. So I don't want to speak and put too many words in Rob's mouth, but I can promise you that that's rolling out, which as a customer and a consumer, that's really important to me, to get that. So yeah, unfortunately, I didn't know. I wasn't educated enough. I did not have the understanding of my system, and unfortunately, I didn't have anyone tell me in time Rich did let me know what I needed to know. I just wish I had have known that at 9 a.m. Before things got too far gone, and I disappeared from the house all day into the air conditioning of another location so that I could wait for the power to come back on. So I had tried a bunch of things. I had left my wife at the indoor playground with my kids several times to come and try and troubleshoot this before I saw Rich's comment on Facebook telling me to hold it for 20 seconds and it would have worked. I'm kicking myself nonstop for that. I can tell you, I didn't hear anything except positive signs. They were apologetic that I couldn't get a hold of someone in a timely manner. They said that that's improving, going away, that won't be an issue, and in future. And then I got personal cell numbers of two people at PointGuard, who I don't know if I can say who they were, but important people at PointGuard, so that I can call them directly if I have future issues. So again, I got to nerd level talk with Rob, the CEO, about all kinds of stuff. It was really great. We actually had a 41-minute phone call discussing the details of not only this system, future plans, the app 3.0 and 3.1, the whole gamut. So what I wanted to say in this is I'm not taking those videos down. I hope they're, informative. It shows where I was at that time. And I feel that deleting those videos would be disingenuous. But I am going to link this video saying, if you get one of these systems, yes, you can black start it. I shared some incorrect information in those previous two videos. So not being able to get a hold of somebody was a problem that they're fixing. So okay, I can take that. That's fine. But they are black start capable, even with AC coupled systems. PointGuard has a really exciting future. I actually wish I could have shared a recording of the call or like a video of everything that Rob went over with me, because it was genuinely exciting. There was no defensiveness or, hey, remove that video. It was, thanks for bringing attention to a problem. We're fixing it. If you have more problems, please call me and we'll fix those too. So all good things that you want to hear, that I want to hear as a consumer, that I think anybody else would want to hear as well. So app 3.0, I can neither confirm nor deny. I may have early access to soon. And if I do, and I'm allowed to, I will share that with you guys. But that's still limited to 2 to 4 kilowatts of bidirectional power. There was so much stuff. Like I said, I wish I could share the video, because Rob's very eloquent and well-spoken, extremely knowledgeable in these areas. And from the very beginning of this system, I have wanted to dig into the details and really nerd out as much as possible. I've done that with the installer, Phil. She's not happy. She does not want to nerd out. That's right. So I've done that with the installer, Phil, and as much as we could. We're still learning together, Phil and I, and not only that, Rich at tech service, tech support at PointGuard, is doing what he can and sharing what he can when he can. And Rob is running the show over there. And I have to say, after today's outpouring of everybody over at PointGuard and how seriously they took my concerns and what happened this weekend, I feel really good owning this system as an early consumer, as an early buyer, and I still feel good about recommending them. So I'm excited to share more as I hear and learn more, but I just wanted to get this, what should have been quick video up, to let you guys know that I was incorrect, that they are black start capable even with AC coupled systems. There was so much info that I went over with Rob, but you can feel safe with these systems. I feel safe with this system. I feel safe, especially now knowing that how to do that, hold that red button for 20 seconds. So there we go. Feel like a bit of a dummy that I didn't get to do. I didn't get to restart it yesterday. That would have been awesome. It would have been a very different story. So hopefully no one takes out 4 polls and I find out any more, and hopefully I don't have to share another story with you guys. Even if it is a victory story, I'd rather just skip that whole part. So yeah, that's my quick update. Please ask if you've got any questions, and I'll keep sharing. There's so much info to share from this system. It's so smart. It is smarter than me. So yeah, I've said that before. It's settings and knowing what to do and when to do it. I think version 3 of the app will improve that quite a bit. So hang in there. I'll share when I have more.